Good morning to all. Welcome you all in GK session. Today we'll study chapter 7 and chapter 8. Okay, let's start with the chapter 7, that is deserts. Students, deserts are places that hardly get any rain each year. So for the survival, it becomes very difficult for the people and they have to be really tough. Deserts are areas with miles after miles of sand, baked earth and barren rocks. Vegetation is here very rare, or you can say difficult. Only a few thorny types can survive. This Which type of plants are found in desert, that we are going to see in this. Okay, in this you have to write the name of the species that are found in the desert. Let's start. Yes, the first one is, it's a barrel cactus. The barrel cactus is a common desert ornamental noted for its striking golden spines. That plant is an endangered species in the world. The barrel cactus during rain expands and stores water in the spongy tissues. It shrinks during the dry season. The next one is fish hook cactus. The fish hook cactus can be identified by its thick barrel-shaped body and long hook spines. The yellow-red flowers and yellow fruit always grow at the top of the plant. Fish hook barrel cactus grow along desert washes gravely. And the fish hook cactus has hook-shaped spines all over which help it divert the heat. Next is, yes, fat sand red. Belongs to the red category. Its efficient kidney obtain water from the leaves of salt bush. Fat sand rats are very selective in their diet, only eat stems and leaves of plants from the amaranth family. And the next is, yes, it's a fennec fox. Fennec fox dwell in the sandy Sahara and elsewhere in North Africa. Their nocturnal habits help them deal with the searing heat of the desert environment, and some physical adaptation help as well. The fox feet are also effective shovels for frequent digging. Fennec foxes mostly lived in underground dens. The fennec fox has a sandy coat which allows it to blend in the desert vegetation and also reflect the sunlight during the day and conserve heat at night. And the last one you might all be knowing, yes, that is camel. Camels live in deserts where it is hot and dry. Camels have adapted and found ways to help them survive in desert. They have a thick coat of hair that protects them from the heat in the day and keeps them warm at night. Their large feet spreads their weight on the sand when they are walking. And students, more than 1/3 of the earth's land surface is covered by near desert, or you can say true desert. So complete your work. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.